Aye, my God is good. Oh. Aye, my God is good. Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial guys. And so guys, I'm starting a series of praise, all right, of which I'm going to be taking you on Seben, Bikosi and what have you. So I'm starting with Seben, and today, guys, I'm going to be playing on C sharp, all right, C sharp and C major, all right. But I'll advise most of my students to start playing praise, in C sharp. Some people play in F sharp, but I specialize. I love C sharp, all right, guys. So with time, I will do the video of today in C and C sharp, but as time goes on, I will just be playing on C sharp, guys. All right, so today's video is mostly for beginners and intermediate. So I will tell you how you can, play or you put you can be able to position your left hand and your right hand, the right fingers you can use, and what have you. All right, so I'm going to start this video. All right, guys, so I'm going to start with this our first volume. This is our first volume, with a very simple chord progression for Seben, which is 1 4 5 4. You can use it to play as many songs as possible. So this is just volume 1 of the 1 4. All right, volume 1 of the 1 4. All right, 1 4 5 4 Seben, and you can use a song like "Aye, my God is good," or the song I was singing from the beginning. So I'm going to start with a tutorial. I'm going to tell us how we can position our fingers, like I already said before. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to start with the right hand. So this is a one. We are playing the key of C sharp. Let me start in the key of C sharp. So it's do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is our 1 4 and 5 and 4. Okay, so this is 1. You can play this one. This 1. This is T1. This is 1. This is 4. And this is 5. So that's basically it. So 1 4 and 5 and 4. So this is the one, but we're going to use the first. This is first inversion and the second inversion. All right. So I'm going to use this one. All right. So this is what I'll play. All right. So this is our 1. So it's 3. This is 5 5 1 5 1 5 1. All right. Then 4. We also omit the other notes, the third note on the foot. This is which is this one. So, and this is our G sharp measure. All right. So when you come here, you just do like this. So it's like do re mi re do re ti so re ti so that's it. Praise all. Praise all. Praise all. Praise all. Praise all. All right, so that's it. Praise all. All right, you can add this one. All right, then this other part you're just going to add it as well. So this is C measure, C sharp measure, and the first inversion. You can just play. So it's 1 3 3 3 3 5 1 3 5 1. You come back to the 4. Re ti so ti re do do. You go back to this. Then this one is just, it's like C. This is C, guys. C inversion. You just 1 5 1 3 5 1 3 5 1 5 1 3 2 1 1 7 5 1 7 5 7. Okay. So it's I do it again. Alright guys, then this solo line. This solo line is just you are doing like it's a solo line that they use for praise. You know, you are going back. So you are using the third and the fifth, and you are using the second and the fourth and the first and the third. So it's alright. So when you do that, so when you do the 1 4 4 and 5 5 and 4 4, then and 4 4 4 and 5 5 and 4 4. Then the other part I was just adding this. I added that brass there. So 3 5 5 3 3 5 3 5 3 5 4 5 3 4 5 4 5 5 4 5 2 1. I do it slowly. Alright guys, so when you do that, you come to the left. We are done with the right hand, so it's you come to the left. So the left, I'm using my thumb. Alright, I'm using my thumb, guys. I'm using my thumb, and I'm using my pinky and my middle finger. Alright, so this is it. So this is our 1 1 1, which is C sharp. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 4 with my middle finger. 1 4 2 2 5 1 1 4. Okay, you can play 1 1 4 6 4. Then you do 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1. So it's 1 1 4 2 5 1 5 6 4 3 1. Alright guys, so with this you can play main sing as many praise songs as. So it's very good for a beginner to know this and the right fingers to do use. So when you do that, I didn't want to complicate it because I just wanted the beginners to, because there are many things that you can still add there, guys. So when you do that, that's all right? Now I come down to C, all right? All right. So in the C, all right, do, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So it's the same thing, all right. You are doing 1 1 1 1 1 1 4 2 5, all right, 2 5 1 4 or 6 6 4 3 1 3 1 1 1 4 1 4. All right. It depends on you guys. The same with the left. All right. So this is our. So this first inversion of C, first inversion of C, second inversion. So we are using the. I'm gonna do it. All right. So on 6, just as we did on C sharp. So we are omitting this one, all right. You also omit this one on F. This is F. You omit this one. All right, guys. Just like this. So this 3, you do this. This is an inversion. I do it slowly. It's C. Right. All right. You also come here. You combine 5 and 3, 4 and 2, and 1 and 3 and 1. All right. There are different ways that you can do. It's either you do. Oh yeah. So it depends on you guys. So guys, do wait to subscribe to my channel and God bless you.